I will show you how to sell digital products on Shopify in concise and easy way. First of all, open Shopify, and after that, the first step, we need to create digital product. From here, tap on the third option, products, and after that, click on add a product from here. And now you need to insert your title. I will insert, for example, I sell my course, which is digital course, how to sell, for example, and I will insert my description really quick from here. And after you insert your description from here, how to sell online, and after that, what I will do is I will scroll down and I will upload my media. It could be your cover of your course. I will upload from here my cover of the course really quick, for example this one, this picture. And after that, I will scroll down and I will insert the price for the course for the digital product, for example $15. And after that, I will scroll down, and from here you can charge tax on this product if you would like. I'll scroll down and we have a track quantity. We don't need it because this is a digital product, not physical. And after that, scroll down and we have the shipping. We don't need it because this is digital product and not physical product. And after this, from here he said customers want and tag shipping details at checkout. And after that, scroll down and we have variant. You can add options for your digital products if you would like, and you can edit search engine listing. Tap on edit, and from here, after you edit it, will show up in the search in Google, will show up to them like this. And after that, tap on save on the right top corner. And after that, at the same time, you can edit the handle URL as well from here. And after that, tap on save on the right top corner. And from here, this option is required by one or more locations. And from here, what I will do is I will check mark this and I will add the stock keeping unit from here. And after that, from here, tap on save on the right top corner. And after that, click back and you can add more products from here if you would like. And after you add it, now what you need to do is to tap on apps from here, click on it. And from here, tap on apps and sales channel setting. And tap on Shopify App Store. And you need to search for digital downloads, digital downloads on the first one. And from here, as you see, we have multiple apps and you can choose whatever apps. I will choose this one, Sky Pilot Digital Downloads. Click on it. And after that, this app have free plan available. From here, as you see, this is a free plan. And after that, tap on install. And tap on install again from here. And after that, will show up to you like this inside the app. And now what you need to do is to tap on products from here on the second option and choose your course. Choose the product you created, the digital product. I will tap on it, and after that, from here, add your files, upload your files that people will get and download after purchasing your course or your digital product. I will upload my video, for example, this video. Tap on open. And after that, as you see from here, he's uploading my digital product. And as you see from here, after the video is uploaded, now what you need to do is to scroll down, and from here you need to enable this, which is mark as fulfilled. And after you complete this, now let's get to our website to see how it is look like. And as you see from here, this is our digital product, which is how to sell, and after for $15, and after the person is buy it from here, after he purchase it, he will get access to the videos and the files I upload for him, and he can see them and download them, and he can do whatever with them because he already purchased the digital product from here. And basically that's it. This is how you do it. Please leave a like on the video, and if this video helped you out, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.